Hello people of YouTube, this is 2 Sports Express here, coming at you with another video. Right now we got a 40 card value pack from Score. We have 4 of these. Not expecting a lot of value, but it should be fun ripping it and adding to your collection of favorite cards. So let's start off with this one. See what we get. All right, we get a Michael Strahan, Warren Sapp, Devin McCourty, Chad Johnson, Ocho Cinco, CeeDee Lamb, Chris Godwin, Matt Ryan, Dalvin Cook, Nick Chubb, Phillip Rivers, Nick Foles, Josh Allen, Drew Brees red, Chaz Surratt red and rookie, Julio Jones red, Game Face Nick Bosa, Score team Julio Jones, rookie Justin Fields. He had a rough go against Cincinnati, or against the Browns, and hopefully they can bounce back from that. We got the 3D Pittsburgh team. We got next level stat Justin Herbert. Score team Drew Lock. We have the next level Deshaun Watson. Game Face Ray Lewis. I actually haven't seen the Ray Lewis one. We have Score team Nick Chubb. We also have a Jamar Chase. I'm really liking this guy, and this is a good card. I mean, it is Score, so it's not great value, but I think he's really gonna have a good year. We got a Russell Wilson next level. 3D, and this one is linebacker. So you got Brian Urlacher, Lawrence Taylor, Ray Lewis, rookie Dylan Moses, rookie Asnat Samuel Jr., Ben Skowronek, Kenny Yeboah, Patrick Jones II. A Mac Jones. That's not a bad one to have. An old school Tom Brady. I love the action shots that Score does. We have Kenyon Drake, Brian Burns, Fred Warner, Tim Patrick, Mike Gossanu. And an old school Raider, Charles Woodson. Well, it could be new. No, it looks like it's probably an older one before he went to the Packers and then back to the Raiders. All right, so that was one pack. Let's open up the other and let's see what we get. All right, starting off with DeMarcus Lawrence, a Gronk, Jalen Hurts, Devontae Parker, Lamar Jackson, Sam Darnold, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. We got Jake Luton, TJ Hawkinson. We got Hayden Hurst, Minkah Fitzpatrick. Sorry, I missed one. DJ Chark Jr., Adrian Peterson. We got a red Hasten Reddick. We got a red Score team Chase Claypool. This card I haven't really seen. A red Mark Andrews. 3D 49ers. They just lost our Packers. They gave Aaron Rodgers too much time. What else can I say? We have a Score team Tua, Game Face Troy Polamalu, Score team Patrick Mahomes. A nice Charles Woodson, little Michigan and Green Bay action. We got a next level Derek Carr, next level Adam Thielen. 3D, and this one looks like defensive lineman. We got Warren Sapp, Bruce Smith, and Aaron Darnold. We got a score team Cam Newton. Hopefully you can try to find a team. We got a game face Khalil Mack. We have a score team Josh Allen. Oh, a Cam Newton one when he was at Auburn. And then we got Jamie Newman, rookie. Shane Bushley, rookie. Patrick Freiermuth, rookie. Chris Evans, rookie. Elijah Moore, rookie. Taysom Campbell, rookie. He went to Jacksonville. Oh, we got a throwback Tony Gonzalez. Austin Eckler. Jimmy Garoppolo. Jerry Jeudy. Steve Largent. And Alec Ingold. So we are 2 packs down, 2 more to go. All right, so we got Amari Cooper, Ronald Jones II, Emmanuel Agba, Marcus Peters, Quinnen Williams, Tyrann Mathieu. We got Brian Urlacher, A.J. Brown, Devontae Adams, nice action shot of him diving into the end zone, Teddy Bridgewater, Deshaun Watson, James Conner, Peyton Manning throwback, and then we got some red Gabriel Davis, a red Justin Fields rookie. We got a red Young-Ho Koo. And we also, got another Justin Fields throwback score rookie as well. All right, next level, Justin Herbert, 3D Pittsburgh. We got a score team Drew Lock, game face Charles Woodson, score team DK Metcalf. We got a score team Nick Chubb, another Jamar Chase throwback one. We also got next level stat Russell Wilson, Brian Urlacher, Lawrence Taylor, and Ray Lewis. Score team Jonathan Taylor. Score team Josh Jacobs. Rookie Caleb Farley. Rookie CJ Marble. Rookie Chaz Surton. Rookie Kenneth Gainwell. Rookie Brady White. Rookie Terrence Marshall Jr. Harrison Bryant. Joey Bosa. Vince Williams. Micah Kaiser, and Marshawn Lattimore, and to close this one off is Chris Carson. So we got 1 more left to go. Kind of strange, we got a couple repeat rookie cards, but hey, can't complain about getting repeat rookie cards that are high value players. We got a Dak Prescott to start this one off, Harrison Butker, James Bradbury, Cole Beasley, Kendall Fuller, Jacoby Myers, Randy Moss, Kareem Hunt, Mo Ali Cox, Raekwon Smith, Derrick Henry, Aaron Jones, Young-Ho Koo. We got a red Dwayne Eskridge, rookie from Western Michigan, Western boy. And then we got a red Marquise Brown and a red Charles Woodson. We also got a 3D Charles Woodson, Deion Sanders, and Champ Bailey. We have a score team Deshaun Watson, game face Myles Garrett, score team Alvin Kamara. We got a 2016 National Championship Deshaun Watson. Next level Alvin Kamara. Next level Stephon Diggs. And then we have a 3D Stephon Gilmore, Jalen Ramsey, and Jair Alexander. He's a really good player. We have score team Chase Claypool, game face Lawrence Taylor, score team Saquon Barkley. We got a Joey B, 2019 NCAA National Champions, Jalen Waddle, rookie, Tyler Vaughn's rookie, Patrick Surtain II, rookie. Victor Demichi, rookie. Nick Bolton, rookie. Trey Sermon, rookie. Alec Ingold. Tom Brady, throwback. Kenyon Drake. Brian Burns. Fred Warner. And Tim Patrick to close this one off. So score, you get a lot of cards with score. You get some decent value with score, but you're not gonna get huge cards. Here are a couple of our big pulls. We have Mac Jones, rookie. We have the Jamar Chase, rookie. We also have the Justin Fields throwback rookie as well, and probably the best one would be this red foil score rookie of Justin Fields. It's a nice card. I wish it was a numbered card, but it's a nice card to have. Please leave a like and subscribe.